Are you looking to make some extra money that can create a new career for you? Well, we've got something for you. Here at Design Addict, we provide digital tools and services to business owners and anyone who wants to create a business. So, how do you fit in, you might be asking? Well, we have an affiliate program that can get you paid if you share our products or services with anyone. When they make a purchase, you get paid. That means you can make a commission on our monthly and our one-time products or services. We offer 10% commissions on our products, and as a bonus, our affiliates get a free account to the whole platform for their use after they sell a Site Plus package. So what are you waiting for? Click that button and sign up today.